If you're looking for a reliable jigsaw blade set that handles wood and metal with ease, this 30-piece assortment is worth considering. It covers a wide range of cutting needs, delivering clean, precise results every time. Whether you're working on hardwood, softwood, or various metals, these blades have you covered. The set includes a variety of blade types optimized for specific tasks. You get basic scroll blades for wood, speed blades for faster cuts, and clean blades for smooth finishes. For tougher materials, there are blades designed specifically for hardwood and metal, including both ferrous and non-ferrous types. This variety ensures you have the right blade for any project. One standout feature is the durable T-shank design, which guarantees maximum grip and stability. It fits all current jigsaw models on the market, so compatibility won't be an issue. This means you can switch blades quickly without worrying about fit or performance. Storage is simple and organized thanks to the heavy-duty plastic case included with the set. It not only keeps your blades secure but also offers extra space for up to 30 blades. This reusable case makes it easy to carry your blades to the job site or keep them neatly stored at home. What you get is a comprehensive kit that balances performance and convenience. The blades cut through wood, plastic, and metal smoothly, giving you clean edges and precise control. This set is designed for those who want quality results without constantly swapping tools or worrying about blade wear. Top reviews from users in the United States praise the set for its excellent value and reliable performance. Many highlight how the assortment meets different cutting needs without compromising on quality. It's a practical choice for both hobbyists and professionals looking to expand their toolkit. If you often switch between materials or need a versatile blade set for various projects, this 30-piece kit is a solid investment. It simplifies your workflow and ensures you always have the right blade on hand. Worth a look if you want dependable, clean cuts every time. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your jigsaw blades and experience smoother, more efficient cutting. This set combines precision, variety, and easy storage, everything you need to tackle wood and metal projects with confidence.